Hi, this is Tech Mike NY. We frequently get questions from customers on how to install a RAID controller in their server. Servers come with a native RAID controller, however that controller is limited and can often not support more than 4 SATA drives. This video shows how to install a controller in the R720 and R730 Dell server, or 12th and 13th generation respectively. The process would be the same for virtually all of the other servers of the same generation. The only difference is the location of the connection on the system board. First, the R720. Here, our tech removes the riser card and installs the controller. Note where the controller is inserted and held by 2 blue clips. Please be careful with these blue clips as they are very delicate and can break easily. Here is the removal of the RAID controller from another 12th generation Dell server. Again, be very careful when pinching the blue clips when installing or removing the controller. Now for the newer generation R730 model. You'll notice now that the controller and cable is secured by screws instead of clips. Our tech places the controller and mounts the cable bracket with the screws. Once installed, you can configure the RAID controller by pressing Ctrl-R during the system boot when you see the PowerEdge RAID controller going through the initialization.